Hello and welcome, it's Tim from Exotic Ginger. Today I'm going to be planting these boys. So, as you can see on my last video on about how we are going to grow vegetables cheaply in this climate. So, this will cost about £14. So we're going to go from there. That will come up on the screen in a minute and it will cost about £14. I'll actually get the actual amount on there so you can come with me and spend as less money as you need to. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go and get the compost and everything, go and get everything, and then I'll be back. So please keep on watching. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be doing it. So what I've done is I've gone to Wix and I have got 3 sleepers. You can get 4, and these sleepers are £10 each. The reason I got 3 is because I already had this off board what I'm going to use for the backing bit. So this is where I'm going to use it. I didn't need to get weed stop membrane or anything like that because it's on the patio, so it's fine. Then I've got 6 bags of this soil, 40 litres. So I got 3 for £12, so I spent £24. So altogether I've spent 30 on the wood and 24 on the soil, so I spent £54 so far on setting this up. So in that it's including the other £15 for all of the seeds and the compost as well. So I'll work that all out and then I'll get back to, it will come up on the screen now what it is, what the whole total is. Alright, so I'm going to get into it. I'm going to show you a time lapse of me doing stuff and then I'll come back in a minute. Okay, so after you have screwed it all in, made it all nice, the reason I'm just being lazy leaving that little off cut there, I'm going to put that there so it's going to look nice anyway, so you won't see it. So the next thing I want to do is I want to start putting the soil in, but before that I'm going to go and get quite a bit of cardboard just so I'm not spending as much money on the compost. I've got loads of cardboard, so I'm just going to put that all there. So I'm going to do that and then I'll be back. Okay, so that's roughly what you want it like, just covering the bottom and also just giving it a bit extra height so you don't spend as much money on your compost as possible. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting the compost in and I'll do a time lapse of me doing that and I'll get back to you after I've done that. Okay, so I've just filled it up. You want to fill it up all the way up. That took me 6 bags to fill up after me putting some cardboard down. Just to say you don't have to screw this together, it will stay together without any screws or anything. So now what we want to do is we want to give it a rake and then we want to give it a light water. So I'll do that and I'll get back. So I'm just giving it a rake, but because it's raining and it's starting to rain, I'm not actually going to water it. The soil is quite moist anyway, so if I water it now I have risk of killing my seedlings already. Right, so now after I've done that, now I've done this, so now I'm gonna get my seedlings and start planting them. So I've got my nice peas here. I'm not going to plant the ones that are not grown properly, but I'm going to plant all the nice headed ones like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it at the back so I can put a few trellises up at the back so they can grow all nicely. So I'm going to do that and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so something like that, that's what you want. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment, all that great stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.